That's all fed and watered. Let's do it. You can just go down front. You know the way. You can just go in front. We'll go the normal way back from here. So out here, turn left, go down towards where the Jeffries car was, or we can go into Hawley and get that way round, or just go the normal way.
Are you going to turn me off?
I'll tell you, I'll go in front.
Huh?
I'll go in front. Well, good evening. Welcome to the channel, back to the channel anyway. Yeah, just a short video. We've just been out on a really short ride. It's been so wet all weekend, we just got so fed up with sitting indoors. Sun came out, so we just took the bikes out. Just went in this place here, Slim Chickens. Really nice, haven't been there before. And yeah, lovely. However, don't eat the hot sauces. Wow, my eyes are still watering. I'm either going to be watering all the way home. They are hot. Jeez, oh. But very nice all the same. We're just going to get ourselves home. I did take some footage of Louise and I on the country lanes, but it was a bit corrupted and the audio didn't come out, so I've just scrapped that. But anyway, this is just a quick video just to where's Louise? There she is, behind me still. Yeah, this is just a quick video just to say hi and make sure everyone had a good weekend. And yeah, we've got some videos coming up in the next week or so. So it's Sunday now and we're off to Brands Hatch British Superbike meet on Thursday, which is probably the best weekend of the year for me. I've been doing this weekend for years and years and years. And I also follow the British Superbikes around, so I go to their circuits and spend the weekend and have an absolute blast. But Brands Hatch is our local track. There's loads of us that go and we just have an absolutely brilliant weekend. It's almost got a festival vibe to it. It's so good. So we're going down on the Thursday. We're not taking the bike purely just because I'm taking my two boys. Otherwise I will take the bike with the camping gear on and spend the weekend on this, but I'm taking my two sons, so I'm going to take my caravan. We'll be a bit more cozier in there, but there'll be loads of bikes on the weekends. I'll be able to get some footage of the paddock and some of the riders, some of the stands and stalls they got there. Yeah, and they got some great nightlife and evening entertainment. Well, they did last year, so hopefully this year lives up to last year. So that's a video that's going to come up next week. Not sure what the weather's doing at Brands Hatch. It's looking a little bit iffy at the minute. Again, all the more reason not to take the tent or take the caravan. Just give ourselves a bit more comfort. But I'm not too bothered what the weather's going to do this weekend. We always have a blast no matter what the weather does. We have a great time. We're going down with a group of lads and we just, yeah, we know how to have a good time there, rain or shine. And on top of that, we're going to Spain on Monday, so if it's absolutely being down all weekend, it will just make the Spanish weather on Monday feel all that bit better. So yeah, I'm going to try and hire, I'm going to take the GoPro to Spain and try and hire a couple of bikes out there. Never hired a bike abroad before, so I've ridden abroad but never hired one, so that'll be something different if we get the time. But yeah, we're just out now. It's 9 o'clock. I've just had a fly in my ear roll. It's 9 o'clock, 18 degrees, and it's absolutely lovely. If not a little bit chilly. It's got that dampness in the air because it's been raining all day. But it was just nice to get out for that couple of hours. Just needed it. Just needed that couple of hours out. You sit indoors and all I want to do is go out on the bike on a weekend. When it's raining all weekend, it just gives you the So as soon as that sun poked its head through the clouds, we got the bike straight out. And the best bit, we gave ourselves absolute street cred. Well, I didn't need to give myself street cred. I'm pretty cool already. But half the reason we're out is because our son James is having a party at home. And he kind of took over the garden, took over the kitchen. So we kind of came out and said, sun's out, should we take the bikes out? Yes, we should. And all his mates are in the garden, and Louise just absolutely loved. She thrived on it. She loved it, getting her bike out the shed in front of all James's friends and then riding it off up the alleyway and out onto the drive. She loved it. She looked well cool, that's for sure. And you could hear all James's friends muttering them to themselves, like, your mum's got a motorbike, wow. Yeah, definitely street cred points there today, Louise. Well done, absolutely brilliant. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, so we just off home now, and I just want to give a shout out to a couple of our subscribers that have watched every video we've done, and they always comment, and again, it just a big thank you to anyone that's supporting our channel by watching our videos and our up and coming videos. We've just started this YouTube journey, and it really means a lot for everybody that's taken the time out to watch and like and share our videos. So thank you everybody so much, it really does mean a lot. But yeah, I want to give a shout out to Hayley and Trevor B. They've watched every video that we've put up so far, and it's nice to have some regular comments on the channel. And I believe they've just got married fairly recently, so yeah, congratulations you two. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching the videos. So yeah, if you want to see more coming up, and especially our Brands House trip, give us a thumbs up and a like, but most of all, give us a subscribe, because it really does make a difference to growing this channel and the amount of videos that we're going to be putting up. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and it will notify you when there's new content coming up. And we've got some really interesting trips this year, and we've got a few weekends spare, which I'm planning on just doing a few spare at the moment ride outs, and some of those could be abroad, so I don't know. I'm going to try and be a bit more spontaneous this year. Anyway, rambling on, it's Sunday evening. Yeah, thank you all so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.